tires are quite fatty so that it has more friction with the road.
I'm against the headwind, but still getting 31 miles an hour.
This could be the best brakes I've got on any bike, really.
The Himiway is using Samsung cells.
Dude, this thing's killing it. Whoa. I'm not pedaling at all, guys. Not pedaling. Wow. This bike has got some power, yo. Wow, this bike has got some power, man. I like this bike. It's always a good hill to test things on.
Now you think for being such a big and bulky bike, it wouldn't be that good at climbing, but that's not the case. It's rated up to a 35% hill. I measured this hill in a previous video and know it's just over 34%. This first run was with zero momentum starting at the bottom of the hill. The second run I was going about 10 miles per hour when I started to climb. Now towards the top I really started to feel some resistance even on the lowest gear of the 7 it offers, but it gives just enough juice to get you to the top.
They're just climbing this hill. This is amazing. Look at it. And it wants to go fast. Oh man, this climbs this thing's like nothing. Woohoo! But yeah, I have plenty of battery left. Look at this. Ledges. Boom! Oh man, I like this thing. I really like this thing. Look, ledges. Boom! Ledges. Boom! Big one, ledges, boom! Ledges, boom! Oh, I hit with the pedals. I sing them wrong. Ledge, boom! Ledge, boom! Ledge! Woohoo! It's like almost dirt bike. Oh.
If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a message in the comment section or stop by our website at www.himiwaybike.com. Until next time, stay safe and happy riding.